Hey guys, I'm here to do my January kit lineup. So in my December lineup, I actually showed you guys what I was going to use for New Year's Eve. Well, like that New Year's week, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the kit that I showed in my December lineup in my old planner. My new inserts are coming, and I'm going to do 2 of the same week. So we'll just get right into it. So the first is going to be December 27th through January 2nd. And I'm piecing together some stuff, and I'm using the Harry Potter, I don't know what the name of this. So this is the Harry Potter like movie artwork from Glam Planner. And I'm using this because the like reunion special is the first, so I decided to use this because it's been in my collection and I thought it was perfect. I love the colors and I'm just pumped to use this. I really wish that I had the fashion people that go with it, but I will make do with this. And what I'm going to do, since I don't have, this was actually a glitch kit, so I don't have the glitter headers. So I found this blue in my collection, and I'm going to pair it with these 3 colors. I thought that that was like the perfect match, since I didn't have glitter headers. And then I'm going to pair it with gold foil. I do have an order. I placed an order with Plana Hannah for some overlays, but I just pulled some random bits out of my collection, so I'm going to use this little Caress Press freebie in gold. I'm going to use I think the twinkle part of this 15mm washi. These I'm going to use on the sidebar for my glitter headers, and then just a couple more full box overlay options. So that is that week. Then for the week of January 3rd through the 9th, I am using Pink Diamond Planner Co.'s October Mystery. And this is a fall kit, but I didn't have room in my fall lineup to use it. So I was like, I'm going to make this winter. So it's beautiful. The colors are just dreamy. Like, they're just fantastic. And I use her premium matte. I love how bold and punchy the glitter headers are. And there's so many box choices with her mysteries. And I think that this is gonna look so good. I am so pumped to use it. Like, these fashion girls are everything. Darcy is so good. So I decided to pair with this gold as well. So I'm repeating gold for 3 spreads in a row. But I decided to pull in the gold snowflake. This is an old bundle from Scribble Friends Co. To make it more winter-esque. And this is one of her like super old bundles. But I'm excited. I think that this is going to pair perfectly with it. And I think it's going to make it perfectly winter. So that is the next one. So for the week of January 10th through the 16th, I am using... I have everything like over here, but I'm using Winter Wonderland from Caress Press. This is beautiful. I love this art. I love the neutrals with green. I don't know what it is, but such beautiful artwork. And I've not really been a fan of like any of the winter artwork that I've seen this year, so this is the only one that I really needed. And I love the black too. It's black, or yeah, it's black. It's like a black, dark gray kind of thing. I just love it. And like the plaid. So we have the 15mm strip and then the 2 extra boxes. So for this one, I decided to pair, I'm very boring in January with my foil choices, but I am using a silver foil. So I have these quote overlays from Planner Pixie Co., the tall box snowflake overlays. This was just a random sheet that I had in my collection, and then the Caress Press silver foil bundle. And then I will probably, I'll show you in 1 second, for the next kit. This is the week of January 17th through the 23rd. And I am using the September 2021 mystery from Scribble Prints Co. I just love this vibe, the at home. And if you can't tell, I love neutrals and greens because the 2 kits right in a row. But I knew I wanted to use this in January because I thought it was perfect. So I love the vibe, the movies, everything. And then a little tall box here. I just love really any movie kits, and this is crazy because it's the exact color scheme as the Caress Press one, but you know, I can't really do anything about it now. I might switch this one to the last week of the month, maybe, to kind of give myself a break. It'll feel like I'm planning the same spread over again, but maybe one I'll do color blocking and one I won't. Oh my gosh. And then the bottom washi extra color. And I won't say extra boxes because, I mean, they're all a bunch of different skin tones, but no different backgrounds. We've talked about this before. So I am pairing this with, if you guys couldn't tell, silver foil. So this is what it came with. And I was like, you know what, that's a good match. So I decided to go with it. I will be using like the leftover quote boxes in the tall box from the Caress Press kit with this one as well. And then finally, this was like a last minute addition because I didn't realize that there was 5 spreads in January. Definitely my fault. So this was the addition. So this is Wild Child 3.0. I used the pink version of this last year in February, and I usually try not to duplicate artwork unless it's like a stellar favorite, and I love this one. And I love like the teal aqua, so I wanted to do it again. So this is from Sticky Essentials. So pretty. And I would have loved to have had a foil bundle that was this teal color and kind of do it reminiscent to what I did the first time, but sadly there's nothing really in that color family, you know, like this color foil you can't really find. I love the monochrome look with just that punch of bright color. Oh my god, and I love that she has the line here for the 15mm. Oh, that's, every shop should do that, honestly. So I decided to pair this with Hollow because it had been a long time since I've used Hollow foil. And this is the Star bundle from Caress Press with a couple extra overlays. I thought it would look really good. And okay, so that is my January kit lineup as it stands right now. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like these, let me know if you want me to continue doing them. I don't really have any ideas for February yet. I better get on it if I want to film that for you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.